Global sale of automotive turbochargers is estimated to be worth $18,217.7 million in 2024 and further projected to reach a value of $45,561.7 million by 2034. Increased demand for fuel-efficient vehicles and the growing trend of the adoption of electric vehicles are expected to drive the market. Market players are focusing on enhancing product offerings through technological advancements and innovation. The Asia-Pacific region is anticipated to lead the market in terms of revenue share, owing to the presence of major automobile manufacturers. The increasing number of commercial vehicles and the rising demand for turbocharged engines are also contributing to market growth. Moreover, the implementation of stringent emission norms by various governments is expected to propel the need for turbochargers. The report provides a comprehensive analysis of the global automotive turbochargers market and its segments. Key market players include BorgWarner Incorporated, Honeywell International Incorporated, and Delphi Technologies.